Okay, got the Nilight 12-inch LED light bar set up on my roll bar. I've got a remote for them and a switch inside. Just got this off Amazon and a wiring kit. They're 72 watts a piece for the 2000 LS Silverado 5.3. As you can see, sun's just starting to go down, but them suckers are plenty bright. I'll show you how I hooked them up to the battery in the negative here in a minute. But yeah, you got low flash mode, then you can go different modes on the high speed, power on, off. Got the truck looking real good. It's dirty as can be. I gotta shine it up this weekend. So basically, got the positive run to the positive of the battery. I got the negative just run to this support bar on the front that's above the battery. Took a wire wheel and ground the paint down off of it. Hooked it up with the eye hook, and there's your power. And then got a relay right here for the remote. Then I ran it down here behind the brake cylinder, feeding along to the power wires down along the frame rail. As you can see, this truck's got no rust. Those rockers are perfect. I mean, look at that badging still. There's barcodes on that, on the frame. But basically ran that back. Ran the wire up here. I'm gonna have to try to tidy that up just a little bit better there, because I don't like that. But yeah, I'll run it up there to the roll bar. Those are solar powered, the little ones in the center. But 72 watts a piece. Nilight is the brand. Waiting to get the hood painted on the SS. That should be done tomorrow, hopefully. Tell you what, I can't stress enough, those Predator New Mutant mud terrain tires ride excellent. I get the truck up to about 80. That's about it. I mean, that's well enough for me. Yeah, they do hum, but that's what you got stereo system for. No big deal. So, just wanted to put a quick video of that the lights are all hooked up finally. Come home after work today and did the other one here. Nilight 12-inch. These are flood and spotlight. They are plenty bright. That's good enough for my taste. Post another video soon. At night, the reveal on how they look at night, but they're going to be bright. Just use them for, you know, them dark streets whenever I want. Low lit roads when you just need that extra power. Look how clean that 23-year-old 5.3 is. This is just an extra badge that I got off Amazon, I believe. Just put a couple little screws on the front of that cover. Original alternator. Everything's still original on this truck. That's what's so great about it. The GMT 800 platform, they just build them so good. This has got 60,000 500 and something right now, whatever, below 61,000. So, one more time on the click. Watch that. On, off. So yeah, I appreciate you watching. I'll keep you tuned in with more videos. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching. And until next time, thank you.